back to back, back to back. Make some noise for my boss, the man that took me to UK the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, can you make some noise for I Go Say? Just so you know, I go dancing in the building. There's stuff is still in the building.
Alright, thank you, DJ. DJ Damix. Una well done. Edo Pikin. This is where you hear me, your boss that took you to London. Oh, but ready money tomorrow morning, no. Say I came to show you love. No. I'm not gonna show you love, I call hustle. Make it not be like say I'll come make love to you last. And the truth too, now let this work now we get. Benin City, thank you for coming out, thank you for supporting entertainment. Because these days, if we call people say we want to do show for Benin, they go say with all the killings, and if they take us time to explain to them, say the killings not reach Airport Road. Say now from Upper, Aduawa. They don't know where be Aduawa. So I beg, if you they kill, stop to the kill. Benin City, it be like say the country now only killing that they know us for, and it's not good. All over Nigeria. Videos just they circulate where they kill people. It don't say we see video of when Benin Boy they open the house, or of when Benin Boy win award. We used to see them, but we don't see them anymore. Terror is senseless. Peace is priceless. So whichever thing you belong to, anything you belong to, leave them. May we pursue better things. We suppose they argue about money. Who they open a house, who they open club, who they open place where they for want employ people. Now what if Benin City supposed get? We're not supposed to use human beings, they can't scores. Maybe they use our votes, they can't scores of who go propel us to the next level. If you keep person, you know they pay you whether they bury the person. How many years we go continue to the key for Benin? We not get oil. The only thing we get entertainment. Whether you do any kofra or anything, renounce. Go government house, now they say you don't tire. You want renounce. They go accept you. You don't they laugh. So, because you they quit wrong, go at Degbe. After you don't say, oh boy, make it set. Make it set. Oh boy, they fuck up. Once they don't shoot knockout, boom, you don't reach the Degbe. And you know they reach Lagos, so I expect you for the conduct. Because you they suspect say they fit kill you. We shouldn't be killing ourselves. Benin City is a lovely place. I remember the days of press motels. All of us, they enjoy the town. You know, Blue Edge, you know, good say, show go there, we'll call the wrong, go worry. Go Agbo. What the Agbo get where Benin? For Agbo, Benin. Where we enjoy. We won't even do show with the fear to do the show. Because with the fear, say people no go come out. Una way come out now because una not they caught and una never kill anybody. He who kills by the sword, die by the sword. And I make una dey abemuna not kill, I beg. Even this advice when they give, tomorrow they'll still come and say, oh boy, they fuck up. They fuck up. Which color you they fly? And then they fly any color. I be rainbow. All colors belong to Jesus. I beg, may we stop the killing. When they talk about say Benin City prostitution. Prostitution, you don't see Ashawo for Lagos. Ashawo where they stay lucky. Rent house. The next year, they need the fee pay. Benin Ashawo, they even there with us, and they bear with us. Any amount you get, you the fee use and fuck them. Then you got to compare Benin, say, oh, Benin to get Ashawo. Benin not get Ashawo. Now prostitute we get. That be joke now. Funny enough, even our runs guests for Benin, they are happy people. Benin runs guests where you go, they wipe to 12 for January 1st, 2020. It go tap you. Baby, Happy New Year. You go pause. You say, oh, not true. Same to you. Wide your leg. Maliki, you know they talk about Obaseki. Get sense. Be like your sense don't travel. Obaseki we need the smile. Because they wear that shit these days with his cap. Now they come here, they call it Obaseki. Leave him. Obaseki, Oshomole. People go interview me. What do you have to say about the political battle in Edo State? What it concern me? The two of them, they buy tickets, come my show. Anything that you do correct. The bunker for airport road, you not concern me. My own now, I'll take by table and ticket for my show. Or Shomole will come in. Don't worry, we are behind you. Obaseki will come in. Don't worry, we are behind you. When the show reach, they need the day behind me. But now see the struggle, they buy the tickets. We go still package, do the show. All these are our friends when they come, Akpororo and all. Now free that they come, we need to pay them. Not be joke. But they come because of love. And one that they support us. It's not easy. I know how many sponsors really want to respond. Say, okay, we will support your show. Immediately I mention Penny, they'll say, we are not really running any promo in that area. Why? Because Kofra Boys, they run their promo. Key one gets 2 free. That is why they always they hate Terrazzo. Terrazzo, yeah, Terrazzo. And they always hail him. Terrazzo na the only man. Is that South Africa since so? But this shaker and he goes, oh, you know easy. The guy says champagne won't cost sell him. Now he enter SA. He don't come because I don't pick in the do show. He fly come back. Epa the set tables. He has been doing this for long. Some of them now they go testify. Young boy they marry, he go kill him, play novelty match. Now so we suppose they support each other. Terrazzo, God bless. I bet my show don't reach you. Table 20. Terrazzo, thank you very much. So more support each other. My brother, fine way to sit down. As I talk about Kofra, you want the wakala say you be number 1. Now so you go die for nothing. Your family could cry. That means taking identity. It not belong to anything. If we are shower guests, it not belong to them. Okay, you just they come. That means you first go fuck. You just they come. Hope you come where. And our Ross guests when they are use God beg una they answer stupid question when I not like. Person don't pay you 10,000. You know it will be 10,000. Cement is 2.5. 10,000. You know how many cement they give you? Boy, you got the tell us, say, please don't come inside me. Are you okay? No, but we analyze. For example, now, as una pay money for a dope picking show, where una come? Not be inside the show. No, una come outside the show. So I can't pay you. You can't say don't come inside me. Where for one come? Might go come for a bazu, make line your shop my prick. Well, you see this guy now, a comedian, no? When you crack joke, if comedians clap, jump like this, say, oh, Baba, you too much. Now your joke don't go. So I beg, my show now on the 5th of January. Those of una way they court, una fit come. I don't beg una other court members say no fighting. After the show, if una want fight, una go Asaba go fight. Wanna let Benin get peace. People full abroad, they don't make money. To come, they fear. The ones who even make money legitimately, SARS not go make them enjoy it. Very bad. And not be say the SARS now this airport road. I don't even know whether they're there. The SARS now this airport road, therefore they get power. For all those upper SARS now they arrest them. Now here therefore they shout, hey, how did you make your money? How you going to ask me how did I make my money? When I pour, you ask me how to make my poverty. How did you make your money? Back. For upper, go upper police station. Police need they come duty. Now like 3 they did the station. They did the station. Now upper, I forgot report case. When I look the wall, what is the right? I give up. The right cars are parked at owner's risk. For upper police station. I run enter the police station, one report case. Grrr, all the police where they run come aside. Now from far they ask me, oh boy, what happen now? I say I want report case. Now you they run like that. Oh boy, you know they make us fear. Shoot. What happen? I say, oh okay. They just leave my phone for upper. Where? I say Jesus Christ Junction. Now I call DPO. Now those boys. I say, what you do the boys? They say, my brother, you be comedian. I say, He say, I beg talk am for social media. Now so they call rob us here last week. All our gun, they pack everything. I said, talk true. He said, sure. As you they come, you see some boys where they smoke it go. I say, yes. Now, Kofra boys, so now we pay them, they guide the station. He said, that they smoke it go. I say, yes. Now, wait till we buy for them. If you finish now, they will go sleep. I beg, find out something where we buy them more. I beg, please, irrespective of me cracking joke, please, Benin City should return to the peaceful atmosphere it used to be. We have brothers in Italy, we have brothers in Cambodia, Malaysia, Ghana, everywhere. They fear to come house. That's how we will continue today. Because those boys where they come, that they build club, some they build eatery, that they employ Benin people. So now that they go build investment for Lekki, Ikota, Port Harcourt, how Benin boys, the young ones, when not they cut, when not get connection, how they want to get work. So please, let's stop the killing. If you have your arms, lay it down, go bury them. When we hustle legitimately, make your money. Let's talk about money. Let's stop counting human beings as cause. Benin City, thank you very much to you. January 5th. Bless up.